Assalamu alaikum, dear friend. My name is Ali Sultan, and I am a student of Rehan School Foundation level F at Islamabad campus. Today, I am going to share with the learn from the TEDx Talk the power and use by Rehmat Ajmal. This talk is about self confidence, believing in yourself, and discovering the power that exists when every person. Main script in this TEDx talk, Rehmat Ajmal explained that every person has uncued talent and abilities. Sometimes people do not realize their true potential because they are afraid of failure or they do not believe in themselves. Share teacher us that confidence important in life and we believe in ourselves. We become strong and more motivated to achieve our goals. Another important lesson from this talk is that challenge are part of life. Everyone face difficulties and but successful people do not give up. They continue working hard and learn from the mistake. I learned that success is not only about talent, it also requires hard work and fitness, determined and a positive attitude. In conclusion, the power in us is an inspiring TEDx talk that teaches us that believe in ourselves and never stop learning. I learned that confidence, education, and hard work help us achieve our dream and create a better future. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Allah Hafiz.